When comparing BambooHR and Paylocity for companies with 50 to 500 employees, both offer strong human resources information systems, but they serve slightly different needs. BambooHR is known for being incredibly user-friendly. It has a clean design, an easy learning curve, and quick setup. It's ideal for small to mid-sized teams that need solid HR tools without a lot of complexity. Paylocity, on the other hand, provides a deeper feature set with more options for payroll, time tracking, and compliance management. It's built to handle more intricate HR operations, but can take longer to set up and learn. BambooHR shines in people management. Its tools for employee records, onboarding, performance reviews, and time-off tracking are straightforward and efficient. Managers appreciate how fast they can view employee data and run reports without needing a technical background. It also includes self-service options that make it easy for employees to update their information or request time off. Paylocity is more comprehensive in payroll and labor tracking. It supports complex pay structures, multi-state compliance, and advanced scheduling features that benefit companies with hourly or distributed teams. Scalability is another key factor. BambooHR scales comfortably for growing organizations, but can start to feel limited as companies approach the higher end of the mid-market. Paylocity, while more complex, is built to expand with larger teams and evolving HR structures. It integrates well with accounting and benefits systems, making it suitable for organizations preparing for continued growth or more regulated environments. For companies focused on ease, speed, and user experience, BambooHR is often the better fit. It's ideal for organizations between 50 and 200 employees that need to streamline HR without adding technical overhead. Paylocity works best for companies on the higher end of the range that have more advanced payroll needs, shift work, or multiple locations. In short, BambooHR is the lighter, faster option for people-first HR, while Paylocity is the more powerful system for complex growing teams that want long-term depth and control.